Once your investor account is set up, you'll be ready to start following strategy managers and copying their strategies. But how do you find strategies that are right for you? Here's how. One of the features that sets XM's copy trading platform apart is this advanced filtering feature. These advanced filtering options let you sort through hundreds of strategies and fine-tune your search so that you can find the strategies that fit your risk profile and return expectations. All you have to do is select one of the filter tabs available, like Most Invested, Most Popular, Best Performers, and more. The results you'll get will make it easier to spot the strategies that are right for you. The next step is to refine your filtered results. You do this by choosing the asset you prefer to trade and then filtering by different parameters like trading frequency, risk score, fees, min investment, and strategy type. For example, you can select the low-risk strategies for forex that have a fee of less than 20%. The resulting strategy cards represent the strategies that meet your specific filters and search criteria. But that's not all. You'll notice that each one of these strategy cards includes key statistics that you can easily scan at a glance. These statistics will tell you a lot about a strategy. So, let's take a closer look at each one. This here is the 1-month performance. It tells you how well the strategy has performed over the past month. You can see this strategy's 1-month performance is 40.71%. Fee shows you how much the strategy manager charges. So if you follow this strategy, the fee is the percentage you'll pay from the profits you'll make by copying it. This is the win ratio. It tells you how many times this strategy manager has had successful money-making trades, relative to how many times they've had unsuccessful trades. The drawdown measures a trading account's decline from peak to trough, or in other words, the account's top to bottom performance. This one's important to consider because a lower drawdown indicates a more stable strategy with less risk. Here you can see the number of investors following the strategy. A larger investors number indicates more confidence in the strategy's performance. Invested tells you how much total has been invested in this strategy. Just like with investors, a larger invested number can mean investors have more confidence in this strategy. Own funds shows you how much the manager has personally invested in the strategy. A strategy manager who has a personal stake, or skin in the game, is more likely to want the strategy to succeed. And lastly, here on the bottom left, we have the risk score. This score ranges from 1 to 10 and indicates how risky the strategy is, based on the standard deviation of its returns. Higher scores indicate higher risk, so always take this number into consideration and make sure it aligns with your risk tolerance. Clicking on the strategy card opens the strategy page. This is where you can find more details on the strategy and the strategy manager, including a brief description of the strategy's investment objectives, the manager's bio, their historical performance, and all the manager's open and closed positions. On the strategy page, you'll also notice 2 more tabs, Risk and Portfolio. These give you even more data on the strategies, like its trading frequency, risk statistics, returns, and investors. Once you've reviewed the strategy and feel confident that you've found the right one for you, click the Copy button and allocate an investment amount. You can also easily set up your stop loss and take profit points all within the platform. You're now copy trading. From here on out, you can track your account's performance in the Portfolio section. And remember, XM Copy Trading is available for free in many different languages. Ready to find strategies to start copying for free? Open an XM account to start copy trading today.